Okay, now we need to do a couple of folders here in the root of assets folder. Um, we're gonna say create folder. This one is going to be our models, and another one create folder. It's going to be texture folders. Inside our models, we're gonna make another folder, create, and this is going to be platforms. Okay, so now here in platforms, let's search in our resource section 1. In this folder platforms, you're gonna have platform FBX, and let's select this tree, and we're going to put it on platforms. Okay, so when you see, you can see that you have the material and you have the model here. I'm going to try it. Yes, this is the module end, and this is the module MB, and this one is the model child. Okay, so now let's do that for the texture. Here in texture, let's find our texture. We have textures, and this file here is the one that we need for the texture. Okay, here we can see the texture is this one. Okay, so we have our three models, so we're going to put the first one, this model tile. We're going to drop it here on hierarchy. So when we grab anything and we put it on the hierarchy, we can see that the object positioned in on 0, 0, 0 for position, 0, 0 for rotation, and that's what we need to do. We need to rotate so we can see this indicator when I grab it and move it to the right. We can see that we are moving in the X position. So this is what we need to be sure. Okay, so I'm gonna move it back again in 0, 0, 0. Okay, that's it. We need to know this controls right here. This one is for pan. This one is for moving, rotation, scale, and this one we're going to see them in the next lesson. So right now what we need to do is if you see we need to texture this one. Here we have the settings. Let's grab the texture and put it right here. That's it. So we have texture our tile. The shader, we're going to use the UI only texture. That's the one I need. Okay, so this thing we're going to make for the model end B and the model end C. So I'm going to select this one and put it right here. Let's texture them with the same method here and here, and you can see that the shader remains as only texture. Now I need to make an a snap, but I need to make this platform with another child. So I'm going to select this one and press Ctrl D. So I made a duplicate. I have this duplicate here, and I want to snap this one. If you um, click on B in the keyboard, you will see that the cursor is moving right here. So I need to grab the corner and snap it, and then I release the B key, and I want to make more duplicates. So I'm going to select these two, Control D. I have this one. Okay, this one I'm going to move it right here. So I have these two duplicates, and I'm going to do the same with the B key. Okay, I'm going to grab it and pull it. Okay, maybe another one. So 1, 2, 3. I'm selecting this with the Control key. Okay, and Control D, duplicate. Okay, and snap once again. Okay, B. Okay, that's it. Perfect. And the model tiles here. Um, when I select one object, I can frame it in all my view with the F key. So I just do that, and B, and that's it. Okay. Okay, now for the another tile, F and B key. Okay, so I'm going to select all the platforms, click on F to see. Huh. Okay, so I have these platforms. They are texturized, and now we need to make a new object. So this object is going to be the manager of all our platform. So we're going to do this. Let's say game object and create empty. Here we have our new game object. Let's put it on the position 0, 0, 0. Okay. And then we're going to rename this empty object. We're going to name it platform, and we need to grab all these objects and put them right in platform. So by this way we can see that we have our platform, and all the elements are child or of our platform. And now I need this platform to be a prefab. What is a prefab? A prefab is an instance of one object, so we can use it multiple times. So here in assets, we're going to make a new folder. We're going to call this new folder prefabs. And to make one object prefabs, the one thing we need to do is take the object platform and put it right here in prefabs. And in this way, now we have our platform object with its prefab. And once we have our prefab, let's see, you can select make camera, and we can see this is the view that we have. If we play our game, we're going to see our camera like this. So it's time for us to reposition the camera. So let's move it this way, and let's see. Okay, I'm grabbing it. So I'm going to rotate the camera like this. For this exercise, we're going to use our projection orthographic. Yeah, you can see that. And I'm going to move our camera something like this. Okay, this is the view that I want. If I press the game tab, I can see the view game, and this is the way that I need our main camera. So now we have our platform. Um, in the next lesson, we're gonna make the the elements or components that need our platform, so the platform can have um, gravity, physics, colliders. So that's going to help us with our character. So we're going to do that in the next lesson. So see you.